How to block spam messages on Android. Modern communication is done through online messaging platforms, which signifies only a few people use SMS for daily exchange. Currently, the Android messaging service is most of the time utilized only to receive one-time passwords, so people get irritated when they're bombarded with other unwanted messages on their phones. Meanwhile, spam messages imply no harm, but people still get annoyed when they hear a message notification. Get Insider has compiled a step-by-step guide for blocking spam messages on Android. Tap the three-dot icon at the top right corner of the spam message. Depending on your device, select block number or details, then block and report spam. Tap block and report spam. Check the box next to report spam, then tap OK. There are many types of Androids, so the steps may vary depending on your device. The process for blocking spam on some Androids will appear like this. Tap the three-dot icon in the top right, and then tap block and report spam.